Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to sell stocks on your Cash App Invest step by step safely and quickly. So whether you're a beginner or just looking out to cash out, this guide will make it simple for you. Launch the Cash App application on your phone for that, and once you look out for it, you may scroll through the given options of your main home screen of Cash App and go to the option of stocks and find it up and just go over and tap on it, and this portfolio should appear on your screen. You can basically look out for the search in the top and search for the stock in the search bar and tap on the stock that you want to sell, or you may scroll through the given options and find the stock that you would like to sell. For example, Roblox stock. So tap on it, and once you tap on the stock you want to sell, you should be finding buy sell option. Select the option of sell, tap on it, and once you do so, you just need to scroll through the given options and tap on continue. And there, just go over and tap on schedule and review the details like current price and transaction fees and confirm it up. And then Cash App should process your transaction, usually instantly or within a few minutes. And then the money should appear within your Cash App balance right here. Now, from the given page right here, you can start withdrawing your money by tapping on this withdraw option and just go over and enter the amount or scale it out how much you would like to withdraw and tap on withdraw. After that, confirm it up, and that's how you basically go ahead and sell the stocks and withdraw it within Cash App safely and easily. So that is it, everybody. If this video helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and also comment. Do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.